Just a leaf of this plant and look what happens to your face. Many people around the world face different types of aesthetic problems. One of the most difficult to battle is the aesthetic problem of the face. No matter how hard we fight, the sun, acne, and other factors can stain our face. However, there are natural remedies that are very effective and easy to do. In this video we want to talk about a homemade cream based on parsley and lemon that will whiten your face quickly. Among other things, parsley has many vitamins and minerals essential for good skin health. On the other hand, its juice is rich in essential oils with high levels of potassium and magnesium. Both compounds are very important for good health. What will we need? 1. Chopped parsley leaves, 2 tablespoons. 2. Lemon or apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon. 3. Mineral water, 200 milliliters. Preparation and use. 1. First, we put the water in a pot and bring it to a boil. When it reaches the boiling point, add the chopped parsley leaves and leave it there for 15 minutes. After that time, we put out the fire and let cool. 2. Once cold, add the lemon juice and mix very well. Finally, we filter the liquid, place it in a glass container and enter it into the refrigerator. This lotion should be used every morning and evening. This will close your pores, not before cleaning it, and provide it with the nutrients needed to whiten it. 3. After a month of consecutive use, we will be able to see surprising results in your skin, noting a great difference. However, you should have at hand a sunscreen to prevent the appearance of more spots. This you should always do, regardless of whether you are taking this treatment or not. I